cotton backing on a wool carpet. Soak the whole thing down. So using a 7 pH product and using a very soft microfiber blended with cotton, we can remove dirt. We're not soaking through to the cotton backing on this wool carpet. And the microfiber with the proper oscillation machine, it doesn't fuzz up the wool. So this video is just to show how we can do a maintenance clean on this carpet that's not real dirty, but we're doing a maintenance clean on it and it's not affecting the tips, the wool. It's not hurting it at all. It just takes soil off without a lot of water. We groom it with a vacuum and it looks great. So here's the fiber area where it's dry. This is dry. And this is where it was just cleaned and this is wet. And the fibers on the wool aren't affected at all.